Hello everyone and welcome back to Anthony No Judgment, Your Story Matters. Today we have a heartfelt letter from Sarah, who tells us that since her parents divorced, she's been spending more time with mom and drifting away from dad. Now this is feel tense, conversations awkward, and she feels guilty about that growing distance. Sarah, you're not alone. Let's talk about this. First off, divorce can reshuffle family roles like a deck of cards. Psychologists call this parental realignment. One parent might lean on you for support, and it's easy to fall into get emotional orbit. Meanwhile, the other parent can feel left out or even rejected. That hurt can build up walls faster than we realize. Here's a little life hack backed by research. Routine meetings beat big reconciliations every time. Schedule 15-minute video calls or Sunday afternoon walks with the parent you've drifted from. Small consistent stacks help rebuild trust. Think of it like watering a plant. You don't pour a gallon of water once a month and expect it to thrive. Now it's tempting to unload all your feelings in one dramatic monologue. Instead, try open-ended questions. Ask, how have you been since the divorce? Or, what's new in your life? When your parent talks about their day, you're telling them they matter. And listening is a superpower not enough of us practice. Next, let's talk about tone. You don't have to be a therapist, just genuine. If dad cracks a joke you don't find funny, laugh anyway. Shared laughter is like emotional duct tape. According to a 2021 study, families who share 5 laughs a day report stronger bonds. So even a groan-worthy pun can be bridge building. But I know, life isn't all sunshine. If you are feeling pulled in 2 directions, practice what therapists call compartmentalized empathy. That means you can love mom and care for dad without choosing sides. It's okay to say, I'm trying to spend time with both of you, and mean it. That sentence may feel awkward, but watch how it opens doors. If your parent reacts with anger or sadness, resist the urge to fix everything in one conversation. Change takes time. You can validate their feelings. I hear that you miss spending time with me. I want more moments together. That acknowledgement often eases their pain and makes space for connection. Let's not forget self-care. Balancing 2 relationships is emotional work. Carve out moments just for you. A walk, a good book, or a funny TV show. When you are rested, you can show up more fully for both parents. So Sarah, and anyone out there feeling the same pull, you've got options. Regular check-ins, genuine curiosity, and small moments of joy can rebuild bridges. It won't happen overnight, but each step forward counts. Remember, there's no judgment here. Your story matters, every bit of it. You're doing your best, and that's more than enough. Keep watering those relationships, and before you know it, you'll see them bloom again. This is Anthony, signing off with love and encouragement. You've got this. See you next time on Anthony Knows.